Hello everyone, I am Sahana, Child Psychologist, Marga Mindcare. Today, as a part of Autism Awareness Series, let's talk about behavioral difficulties in children. A lot of times, behavioral difficulties or the challenges is the outcome of the child is not able to express their need verbally, or the child is not able to understand their emotions, or there is a sensory issues happening inside. We need to understand if it is the case. Unless until we don't understand, we will not be able to help the child. It is the first step to understand why the child is behaving the way how the child is behaving. Third thing is sensory stimulation. As I told you, a lot of behavior is caused by the sensory stimulation and sensory overloading. So when the child is going through sensory stimulation, let's identify where. For example, if the child is uncomfortable in the crowded places, or the child is stimulated over the loud sound, or is it because of the height, or is it because of any particular kind of texture of clothes or the food. So to avoid the behavioral disturbances which is caused because of sensory, let's do a small practices such as if the child is attending a function, let's take a noise cancellation earpods. Or if the child is having a difficulty in tactile, let's keep a sweet or whatever the child likes. Or if the child has a tactile sensations, let's have the clay dough or slime, which will help us to calm down the child so that the child will relax and listen to us in the particular situation. Next is very important is positive reinforcement. Every time when we reinforce the child, when the child is showing the behavior appropriately or the good behavior, let's appreciate it. So every time when we appreciate the child is understanding this is the positive thing, this is the expected behavior my parents or the community is expecting from me. So when we appreciate by saying good job or giving stickers or whatsoever the child likes, then automatically those kind of behaviors increases, because at the end the child needs accomplishment or reinforcement from their loved ones, right? And the last thing which is very important is the collaboration. So to help the individual needs, it is very important to collaborate between the parent, the child as well as the therapist. So to reduce the behavioral difficulties in the children, let's the teacher, parent and the child and the clinician sit together and identify how do we manage the problem and how do we change the behavior accordingly. It will help for the children's long-term behavior and the improvement.